Let's start today's session to see how we can improve the flexibility of your joints. Start with the wrist. Reverse wrist position. Keeping like this will improve the joint flexibility. Slowly lie down. Sit on your heel to the Shashankasana to relax your spine muscles. Extend your fingers as much as you can in this position. Go for the hip up position by keeping your chest down. Only your hip is escaped from the floor. Wrist joint movement. Fingers. Warm-ups are very important before you go for the yoga practices. Shoulder de-stressing by blocking your one hand inside. This all relaxes your tensed muscles. Go for a bridge pose by catching hold of your ankle joint, chin to chest lock, and then slowly support your back and give a good curve for your spine. This all improve the spine flexibility in kids, and it's very important for their growth. And slowly come down. Relax for some time. And slowly trying to extend your legs up and down. Right hand to right leg, touching. Go for the other side. Normal breathing pattern is followed in Hatha Yoga. Now let's try aim for a Chakrasana. Keeping your two hands on either side of your ear, try to come up. This is not dangerous if you practice from the floor. Try to raise your spine as much as you can and slowly, with the help of your hands and legs, slowly come down and relax. Compensate this position with a knee to chest lock, head to knee position. In this age, if you can give a good stretch for your spine, that's the best you can. Thank you.